Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Dev with Excel. All right, so continuing from where we left off in the previous video. We are solving exercise 2.14. Yes, and everything worked fine except that when we introduced a particular code which is inside the app.jsx, when we introduce this part of the code that uses the window.confirm, right? When we introduce this code, it seems our app breaks. It doesn't work well because when we try to delete a particular input and we click on OK, we get error, right? And it says name2 dot remove is not a function. So at first I was not too sure of what was happening, but eventually I think I've been able to get it right. So let's go to the code implementation to see what happened. So here, name here is a variable name that I used when I imported service.name, right? And also coming down here as well, it appears that we use name as a parameter here and as an argument here. So what we can do is we need to change this name, or we can just change the name we have here. We can just change this name to name service, right? So let's just come here and call this name service since it's in the service folder. So we call this name service, and then we come to this part, we call this name service. Where else do we need to change that? We need to change that here, name service, and also we need to change it here, name service. So hopefully with these changes, right, I believe this code should work well. Now let's save this and then let's go to the front end, that's the browser. Oh, sorry. Let's go to the browser here. Let's refresh and let's click on, let me just minimize this, and then let's click on the db.json to see if this data abc leaves. All right, so let's click on abc123. Let's click on the delete here. It says delete abc. Let's click on OK. So this leaves, right? So this was because we were having the same name for two different variables, right? So this really affected us. So that's a point to actually note going forward, and I'm going to make sure that that does not happen again. All right, with this, guys, thanks for joining this video, and if you found this very interesting, please you can give a like to this video, and also you can subscribe to my channel. And till then, see you in the next video. Bye.